How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're an old subscriber, a regular, a new one, please give yourself a big thumbs up. And for everyone who has subscribed, or to everyone who has subscribed and made us to have 1,700 subbies, I would just love to say thank you so much. I mean, you guys in a good mood, child. Not now. In today's video, I'm just going to be talking about how I got certified from the University of the Freestate, South African Sign Language. How my journey was, how much I paid, how we started, and how we managed to do all this, and how I managed to pass, child. I mean, for those who don't know, I am a sign language interpreter, a Lesotho sign language interpreter for that matter. So it all started last year, that is in 2020. Yes, I took a gap year, so I wanted to advance my knowledge more on that field, because from where I stand, or from what I know, it's not a lot of us that have honors degree or master's degree in Lesotho Sign Language, let alone in South African Sign Language. But those who have a base of Lesotho Sign Language, if you get what I'm trying to say. So I thought it fit for me to okay, let me wait and then see what I could try to do. So as you know, Lesotho Sign Language and South African Sign Language, those are two different languages. So your child now knows South African Sign Language, and your child now knows Lesotho Sign Language. Child with Lesotho Sign Language, and with the South African Sign Language, I can understand, I know it, but I can't say I'm that competent as Lesotho Sign Language. And then I came across this information that I can enroll with University of Freestate, that is UFS. It's in the province. It's in the province of Freestate, in South Africa. So I found that I could enroll in a short course, and then I found all the details that I needed, contact details, how much it was, how long that program is, and whatsoever. And trust me, I didn't get any disappointments, So it was 4,000 rand, because this year we were now told that it's going to be something like 5,000 rand, and the level of the certificate is NQF level 4. So I was told that South African Sign Language is offered in that level that I said it, by the Department of South African Sign Language and Deaf Studies, Faculty of Humanities. And then people whom we have been working with, Kala and Miss Susan. So they were the ones who were teaching us, I can say, instructors, something like that. So where I all did, or where it all started, between January and February, that's where I enrolled, me, myself, and I, because I remember I was still able to move from Lesotho to Bloemfontein on Fridays. So we had classes, I can't remember the time, but we had classes on Fridays, and then they were so enjoyable, but we only went twice or thrice, but it's not more than 4 times, because I remember that when we were supposed to continue, that is when the COVID-19 thing was now serious, like like a match, and we just had to like pause. And my parents and my sisters have been so much supportive to me, so much. We had to pause because again COVID was now there, it was in March, then we didn't know what to do, then it was a complete lockdown in Lesotho and in SA, so we just sat home bored. Now get back to school. So the people who we enrolled with, that is at the beginning of the year, most of them were no longer there, if not all, apart from me. And then it was the three of us from Lesotho, and then there's two other ladies. I just told them about it because I knew that they would love to join this opportunity. What happened was the mode was now fully online, unlike before, because before I can call like a course about it and then it was whatsoever. This time around it was online. What we needed, or what I needed, was a laptop or a cell phone and internet connectivity. So I was privileged enough to have all those, and I'm just so grateful to the Lord and my parents, you know. So it was fully online learning, and then we were learning Skype. We were given some assignments. Before that, they gave us handouts to read like prior, and they're just so good. Kala and Miss Susan, they were just so good to us, guys, very much good. But we dealt more with Kala, unlike Miss Susan. So if we encountered any kind, or if I encountered any kind of problem, I just knew who to talk to, and I knew that she was going to reply me like abruptly. We were given some videos whereby a deaf person was signing, and then we had to write what that person was saying, and then we were given some passages to sign and record ourselves, got a video, and then send them all to them, you know, all that. And child, your girl did all the things and she passed. We didn't come to play here, we don't do that. We wrote exams in October, and then we had to wait how much marks we got. And then I honestly, let me say this, everything was just so perfect, like from the beginning and ongoing, you know. But I don't know, I'm just giving an honest review, child. I don't know what really went on, because not unless that's how I thought it. And now I thought, okay, now that we were done and we had paid the fees, then it means that we're going to get our certificates like instantly. But it didn't happen like that. I honestly don't know. Apart from Carla, she told us that she was kind of busy with something that we did really understand, you know. It was understandable of her. But what was not okay with me was the fact that we had to wait for the certificate, although we paid prior. So it was somehow kind of weird, according to me, honestly. Yeah, that's my honest opinion in asking Carla. So when is when? I was now like, child, I need this certificate, because you know when you have it and you're like, I'm proud of me, or you're like, you're gonna use this for something else. She gave me my certificate via WhatsApp, the soft copy one, via WhatsApp and via my email. I was just so happy, guys. I was just so happy to get my certificate. Because can I recommend someone to go and study that? And then an answer is yes, I highly recommend that. But for me, and now what my vision was, I don't think like it was a best wake up or a best start for me, because I think I could have gone straight into honors from the onset, and then get both like a masters and whatsoever. But hey, what's done is done, and I really enjoyed it, because it was somehow like revision. And what I have right now, it's a soft copy certificate with me, and then I have I am still waiting for the other one. We were told that we're gonna get it in 2 months. The hard copy, it'll fit is through the post, and then the soft copy. And it has been such a great journey. I don't regret it at all. Like, I don't. And so yeah, it is what it is, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Anyway, see you again next time. Toodles. Bye. Bye.